little learners. Welcome back to Bloom and Learn, kids. Today, we're going to learn the days of the week. Are you ready? Let's begin. Do you know how many days are in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. All right, let's say them together. Ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday through Friday are called weekdays. That's when people go to work or school. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend. Those are for rest, play, and spending time with loved ones. Good job, kids. Now, let's learn the days of the week one by one. Here's the first day, Monday. Let's spell it together. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Monday is the first day of school or work. It's a fresh start to learn new things and make plans for the week. Awesome? Do you like Mondays? I do. Now, let's move to the next day. Tuesday. Let's spell it T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Tuesday is a day to learn more and have fun. You can keep playing or start something new. Great job, kids. Now, let's see what's next. Wednesday. Let's learn how to spell it. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Great job. That was a long one, but you did it. Wednesday is the middle of the week, a perfect day to keep learning and having fun. Keep it up. Just a few days left. Are you ready to explore the next day? Thursday. Let's say each letter together. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Thursday is a great day to finish important things and get ready for the weekend. Just one more day to go and the weekend will be here. Awesome work, kids. Let's find out the next day. Friday. Let's say the letters one by one. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Friday is exciting. It's the last day of school or work for many people. Woohoo! Fantastic Friday, kids. You did it. Now, let's jump into the weekend fun. Saturday. Can you spell it with me? S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Saturday is a special day to enjoy. You can do what you love, like playing games, visiting friends, or just relaxing. Perfect. Now let's discover the next day. Sunday. Let's try spelling it with me. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Sunday is a day for relaxing and spending time with family. You can have a picnic, enjoy a big meal, or just rest at home. It is also a perfect day to prepare for the week ahead. And after Sunday, we begin again with Monday. Awesome work, everyone! You are now a Days of the Week expert. Let's play a quick game. I will say a day, and you tell me what comes next. Ready? Let's go. Monday. Tick-tock. What's the next day? Yes, it's Tuesday. Well done. Wednesday. What's after Wednesday? Great, it's Thursday. High five. Friday. Let's jump. Can you guess the next day? Woohoo! It's Saturday. Awesome. Sunday. Oh, what comes next? That's right, Monday is back again. Great job, kids. You did it. Now let's say all the days one more time. Ready? Let's go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Awesome job, kids! Now you know all 7 days and how to spell them. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro. See you soon on Bloom and Learn, kids. Bye for now.